to come forward and produce such films. So when the audience gives a thumbs up, when the trade gives a thumbs up to such films, producers get empowered to make more such films. So I would like through this our platform to thank all the people, all the audiences who have actually appreciated, loved the film and are going twice, thrice to the theatres to watch the movie. Absolutely a big thank you to all of them, because if the audience would not come into the theatre today, we won't be probably sitting here and talking to you guys.
100 में से आई थिंक 110 मर्दानीपन है उन्होंने, स्पेशली अगर जिन लोगों ने यहाँ पर पिक्चर देखी है, अगर उन्होंने क्लाइमैक्स देखा हो तो I think that's proof of what I'm saying. Yeah, I don't think I can sum it up in 30 seconds, but it was exhilarating and intimidating at the same time. I think the experience that she brings with her was just pressure on a newcomer to up his game that much more. I think the first time I saw Rani ma'am was when she was shooting the phone conversation of 30 दिन में मैं तुझको पकड़ूंगी. Dada had told me come and watch her क्योंकि तेरी भी rehearsal type हो जाएगी and you know you can get your cues from her and you can get into the zone a little bit. I saw her do a page and a half of dialogue 7 times with 7 different variations. I was going to shoot in 2 days after that, and I know I was scared after I saw that performance, because if that's what the audience was going to be seeing with one phone call, then the other phone call that was being made by me had to be equally powerful, if not more, if this story had to work. So working with someone like her helped me push my game, which perhaps wouldn't have happened if I was working with an actor of less revenue.
Absolutely. I'm so happy that you've raised this point, which I've been saying for so long, that this film is made for those children. Made for the 12-year-olds, made for the 15-year-olds, made for the 16-year-olds, to make them aware of what's happening today. There is a way of just shunning the issue by saying like how we turn the newspaper, like, you know, every day that we read an incident, and because it does not involve us, we just turn it and then we go on to the next thing that we want to read, or we go to the entertainment section. But the fact is that these things are happening. It is the worst evil that exists in our society today, where there is a girl who gets kidnapped every 8 minutes in our country. So that is the truth. And there have been so many people, so many parents who have watched the film and have called me and said that, Rani, what a shame that I can't show my child this film, but when the DVD comes out, I'm 100% going to show my daughter this film, I'm going to show my kids. There are so many children who are probably 17 years of age who have actually gone and seen the film. And their parents have told me that, Rani, now my children come to me and tell me that, Papa, now I understand why you tell me not to go here and not to go there. And I feel that's our, victory. So it's really disappointing, and it's really sad that when we are making the film, for us it was always that, kids are going to watch it. Like kids, what I mean is 12-year-olds and 15-year-olds, when they watch it, it's going to really make them sit up and think that, oh my God, okay, so the next stranger who I'm going on a blind date with on the net, that person could be the trafficker. Or this guy who I'm meeting in the disco and this guy who's offering me a drink, that person could be a trafficker. So it's actually it's just a awareness. Like outside your school, there could be a Bhelpuri wala who could be the trafficker. So these are things which children of today need to know. Why are we shying away from, reality?
So yeah, it's the biggest, because I was very skeptical about the way people were going to respond to this character and the background that he comes from. He says, "Yaar, main to Hindu college ka tha," and for those of you who are from Delhi, that's a respected sort of establishment to be in, and the kind of things he does in the film. But the critics wrote well about it, and then to hear it from Amir Khan, I think that's huge. So if he's watching this, I cannot thank you enough.
No, I think in fact I'm going to speak to her, because since Shivraj Chauhan has already initiated the process of declaring our film tax-free, so our team, Mardani absolutely thanks him and salutes him for actually seeing the film in the right spirit and appreciating the issue and the thing that we brought with the movie. So we are going to appeal to a lot of states to in fact see the film in the terms of trying to make the film reach out to every girl, irrespective of the price of the ticket. So it's important that it reaches everywhere.